What if I told you there's a car you can buy with the heart of a Formula One champion? Not inspired by F1, not borrowing ideas from it, but an actual Formula One engine ripped straight from Mercedes' title-winning race car and tamed just enough to survive on the street. That's the Mercedes-AMG One, a hypercar so wild it blurs the line between racetrack and reality.
You can buy a Valkyrie, you can buy, well, if you're lucky, you can buy all sorts of hypercars. I promise you that the owner of an AMG One, as they're winding up through the gears, there's nothing else that feels like what they're driving.
At its core is a piece of engineering insanity, a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 hybrid, the same architecture that powered Lewis Hamilton to multiple championships. 11,000 screaming RPM, an engine so temperamental it can barely idle without exotic fuel. To make it road legal, engineers spent years reworking its internals, cooling, and electronics. And even then, it's a ticking time bomb of performance. This isn't an engine designed for morning commutes. It's a grenade with wheels. But here's where things get even crazier. It's not just a V6. The AMG One adds 4 electric motors, one strapped directly to the turbocharger for instant spool, one boosting the crankshaft, and 2 driving the front wheels. Together, they unleash a combined 1,049 horsepower. The result? A car that rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. With a top speed of 217 miles per hour. But speed alone doesn't define the AMG One. Its genius lies in precision. Active aerodynamics constantly reshape the car. Louvers in the fenders, an extendable rear wing, and a race mode stance that drops nearly 2 inches closer to the asphalt. Every inch of bodywork is designed to manage airflow, cooling, and downforce. Switch to track mode, and it feels less like a car and more like strapping into a fighter jet. Inside, the cockpit is pure motorsport minimalism. A carbon fiber monocoque hugs the driver tight. Twin digital displays replace traditional gauges, spitting out data like an F1 pit wall. The steering wheel, waki enori, squared off, bristling with toggles, looks like it was stolen straight from Hamilton's office. There's no leather luxury, no plush comfort. This is a cockpit built to remind you, you're not here to relax. You're here to fight physics. Now compare it to rivals. A Bugatti Chiron flexes with 16 cylinders and brute force top speed. A Ferrari SF90 dazzles with plug-in hybrid precision. But the AMG One is different. It's not about excess or bragging rights. It's about proving F1 technology can live on the street. It's less a hypercar, more a proof of concept, an engineering dare brought to life. And maybe that's why it feels so raw. The Mercedes-AMG One isn't just another hypercar. It's a statement, a reminder that sometimes the craziest dreams can be forged into reality, if you're willing to break every rule in the book. So here's the question. Is the AMG One the ultimate street-legal race car, or has Mercedes built something so extreme, it'll never truly escape the shadow of Formula One?